Hey guys, for $7, I'm gonna show you how to get your first or next real estate wholesale deal. Guys, my name is Zach Booth, and we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna teach you guys how to get your first or next wholesale deal from scratch in a whole new market that you guys choose live. While we're on live, I'm gonna walk you through the process A through Z, getting your first or your next wholesale deal from scratch. So what is real estate wholesaling? That's where we find deeply discounted real estate and pass it on to an investor for a finder's fee. So if you don't have deep pockets, you don't have a rich uncle, but you want to be wealthy from real estate, that's what real estate wholesaling can give you. It can give you financial and time freedom. So the whole point of this masterclass is to give you the process A through Z of doing your very first wholesale deal. So we're gonna start off by picking a market by your guys' choosing live. So I don't know where we're gonna do this, but this will work anywhere. We're gonna build a buyer's list. We're gonna get the paperwork and the title company, everything set up to then start looking for the sellers and how to do that, right? The whole point of this is to give you A through Z so you can do it yourself. So you can do it live as we're doing it and follow along, or you can watch the whole thing and implement it afterwards. But the goal is to give you everything you need to get out there and do your first or next deal. So why am I doing this? I'm doing this because there's so many excuses out there, and I want to help you understand what you actually need, right? You may think that there's more competition out there than there really is. You may think you need more money, and you really do, to be successful in this business, right? I'm going to help you understand exactly what it takes to be successful in this space, because the concept is simple. We find a seller and we find a buyer and we get paid the difference. But it is way more complicated than that, and I'm gonna show you all the little tricks and secrets to make this as simple as it sounds. And guys, it's only $7. So this is super exciting. I've never done anything like this before. Guys, this is gonna be an awesome experience if you're just starting out and you're trying to get your very first wholesale deal, or maybe you've done one or two deals, but you're struggling to get consistency. This is gonna be amazing for you as well. So come join us live on Thursday. We're gonna be breaking the stuff down. We're gonna be live. You're gonna actually be able to ask me questions as well. So come join us. It's only $7. Go ahead and click on the link below.